Abhishek Goenka, founder, India Forex and Asset Management, joining in to talk about the rupee this morning, strengthened to the 90.43 mark. Abhishek, how much move can you see on the positive side now, since we've been sliding consistently thanks to these tariffs from the US, which now go off?
Hi, very good morning. It's a beautiful day, and now we are seeing the rupee and the markets all cheering the news yesterday night. So I think, as we discussed earlier, that the fair value of the rupee should be close to around 88 to a dollar. And whatever weakness we saw was just because of the tariff. And as for the real effective exchange rate, even if it settles at around 100, we should be at 88. So I think now, since the tariff is gone.
No, you're saying rupee can go to 88 by when, Abhishek, you think?
Yeah, so I think it could be gradual in the space of, say, 1 month or 1.5 months. RBI would come in to buy some dollars in between because they have exhausted a lot of their reserves. But if we start seeing push from the capital flows, and the stock markets are cheering today, then possibly, rupee moves in pendulum. So this time around, we saw the moves very high. And this time on the downside also, at one point of time, the exporters who have not covered at the higher levels will feel left out, and they would start coming in the market and start selling. So I think I'm fairly positive on the currency now. There's no reason to panic. And with this trade deal, I think whatever money we have lost out of our current account, we will be seeing increasing orders from America.
Abhishek, quick question though. Abhishek, quick question. We're already at 90.4 on the USD INR. In the near term, where do you see it settling? And this gradual move up to 88 again, can you define that in your mind? What is this timeline looking like?
It's difficult to tell you the timelines, but one thing is for sure, if we see sustained rally in equity markets also, and we start seeing 2-3 days of FII flows, then our one problem of current account is getting solved. Now the second problem of capital account, if we see triggers in the market, then that will also get solved, and then they can be good to go. And then there is no reason why the rupee weakness should stay. So I think let's keep a close watch in the markets. And if we see a follow through, then I would be a seller of the US dollar rather than the buying of US dollars in the current market.
You would be a seller of US dollars in the current market instead of a buyer. All right. Abhishek Goenka, thank you so much for speaking with us.